Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can use the voice command on the Stradivarius app. So you open the app, then you will have to tap on the second icon on the bottom. Then tap on the search bar on the top, and here you could type in some products, but if you would like to say them out loud, you can see here a microphone icon. If you tap on it, then you can tell what are you looking for example, jeans. And here they are, my voice command search. That's very much for this video. I hope it was helpful for you. If it was, please consider subscribing and see you in the next one.